This is gonna blow your mind. Replace your car's air filter in a flash. First, pop the hood and locate the air filter box. It's usually a black box near the engine. Got it? Great. Now unclasp the latches or remove the screws. Open that box up and there it is, the old air filter. Carefully take it out. Notice the dirt? That's why we're here. Next, grab your new air filter. Make sure it matches the old one. Place it inside the box, making sure it fits snugly. Close the lid, secure the latches or screws, and you're done. Look at you. You just gave your car a fresh breath of air. Easy, right? Stay tuned for more quick car tips. Hit that like button and subscribe for more.